So every 2 out of 5 people in the world today is currently battling a health challenge, right? And that is why this business is topping the list in the food industry. If you're looking for a business that you can start in the food industry that is all about in healthy lifestyle, then become a dietitian or food nutritionist. You don't know what a food dietitian or nutritionist do, right? For you to start this particular type of business, right, you have to acquire the skill. So many of us are so good with food nutrition and all of that, but then again, I'll advise that you do some short courses online in order for you to have a brand integrity or credibility in the world today where most people are battling health challenges one way or the other. This is a perfect time, this is a perfect business idea that you should think of going into right now, especially if you're someone that really wants to build a brand in promoting good health, also impacting on people's life. As a dietitian or food nutritionist, there are several ways that you can make money from this. Number one, creating content. You can decide to be creating educational content on diets, on healthy living. And number two is by doing consultation. Start doing consultation for people. Do you get? Especially if you already have good knowledge of it, either you're a dietitian by profession or you acquire the skill. The third one is meal or food production. As a dietitian or nutritionist, you can decide to start producing some certain kind of food for vegans, for people with diabetics, plus and so many others. So in this meal and food production, you can decide to be preparing meal and delivering to people, especially people that are having these health challenges. Make cooked meal and deliver to them, just the normal food delivery business that we know. Then secondly, you can start food production. Some of them are the packaged food that we know, like plantain poundo, cocoyam poundo, and all of that. These are two ways in this meal and food production that you can actually go into. So the first way to make money from this is becoming a healthy foodie creator. And in this particular one, going to be doing just exactly what all these foodies do, right? All these foodies that we see on Instagram. You teach people how to prepare certain meals in your kitchen, just the way we have Sisi Yemi, Ifi Kitchen, and the likes of them preparing normal foods, right? But in your own case now, you are teaching people how to make certain types of meals for different health challenges. Do you understand? So that is what you do in this healthy foodie creator. So becoming a nutritionist or dietitian is a very beautiful idea, and it's something that be very fulfilling, because one, you are doing this to save life. That is a humanity thing, right? And secondly, you are impacting positively into the world by promoting healthy lifestyle, healthy living. And while you're doing this, you're also making your money. One good thing about this is that it will expose you to a lot of things when it comes to food and health. This particular one requires someone that loves knowledge, someone that loves reading, someone that loves researching. Do you understand? So if you're someone that loves researching, reading, someone that loves acquiring knowledge, someone that is always curious to know things, then this particular business is for you. But if you're someone that you do not like reading, you do not like all those things, maybe you see them as stress, then I think that you should check other videos that I have on food business ideas. Guys, in case you're interested in acquiring these skills, I will leave the links to some course platforms where you can actually get this skill either paid or free. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.